to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm joined by Chef Chris from Iconic Bar and Grill, and today he's going to show us how to make a avocado hollandaise sauce that we are going to build a Benedict out of.
So we're going to start by taking 2 avocados into our bowl, and then we're going to season them up. Okay, so we've got the avocado in the bowl. We need a little citrus. We're going to go with lime because it plays better with the avocado.
Okay.
We want a little heat. This brings some flavor to it. So I love Cholula, but you can use just about any hot sauce. And then here is the key to what I think is delicious hollandaises in general: white pepper, and then classic kosher salt. So now we're going to mash that up and get ourselves a bit of a hollandaise consistency. We're not going for chunky guacamole here. We're going for a smooth texture.
Okay, Chris, what's next now that our sauce is made?
We've got some water that's just off the boil, and add just a touch of white vinegar that helps the eggs stay together. And then we're going to poach. We'll let those go, and while we're doing that, we'll build our Benedict.
Okay.
So we've got some crisped up English muffins here. And then we're going to add sweet garlic sauce. Oh, there it is. Thank you. And then we're going to build basically a BLT Benedict. So some delicious thick cut bacon, slice of tomato. All right, I think our arugula is ready. Just a touch on each, just a bit. All right, I think we're ready for our eggs. Gently slide those guys off right on top. And then of course we're going to top this all off with our velvety avocado hollandaise. Just a dollop on each. Just like that, a delicious BLT hollandaise.
I love it. We're going to take it outside and let someone try it, and we'll be right back. You're the lucky person that gets to try our avocado hollandaise sauce. Oh, wow. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, let's try it. Good.
Another success from the KitchenAid kitchen.
We did it.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thanks for joining us from Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.